Now let's look at this question. It looks slightly different from the typical question, and this question looks different because it says here there is a particular value of b, right? Particular value of b. Now I'm going to teach you a playing cheat method to do this kind of question. Okay, so a particular value of b, you realize that they did not tell you what is the value of b, so it makes the question very difficult to do. So what you do is, number one, you try and assume b equals to a number first. Okay, I'm going to tell you, whatever number you assume here, later on the a is the same answer. You can assume this to be 1, 2, 10, 100, 99, or whatever number. But for simplicity's sake, you should always choose an easy number. Johan, are you listening to this question? If you ask me this later, I'm not going to answer you. Huh? So now then you can talk about the question. So B, in this case, let's assume to be, don't use 1, don't use 2. Usually I use 10 or 100. So let's try 10. Can you try right now? Assume B equals to 10. So what's the next step? You will try and find the value of K. So how do I find value of K? Usually I got A, I got B. What do? I will sub into the equation, right? So what is the equation now? A is directly proportional to the cube of B. So what do I write?
A equals to KB cube.
KB cube. And I also know A and B, so very easy for me. A equals to 24, B equals to 10. Alright, so I then write down the equation and I try to find the value of K. Press my calculator. K equals to 0.024. Right? Now, what do you need to do next? Okay, you need to rewrite the equation. And you need to replace K with a number. So now I try. A is equals to 0.024 B cube. Then I go to the next step. So far can follow? Okay, now next, what do you do? Look at the question. Usually this type of question, they will tell you, this B will be half, will be double, will be triple. So let's say if it's half, right? Now B was 10, now B is what? 5. If this is double, B was 10, now become 20. Something like that. Can follow? If your number here is 9, half will be 4.5. If your number here is 100, half will be 50, and so on and so forth. So it's good to use a nice number like 10. Okay? So we write down new B equals to 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So what do? You will try and find new A. Okay? Then after that, what do? A is equals to 0.024 times 5 cube. Answer is 3.
So if you use any number, you assume B if any number is always the same answer.
Okay, let me summarize. Let's say you change the number of B. Assume you change number of B to 100. Something will change. The K will be different. Alright, this K will be a different number. So let me write down in red color. If you choose a different B, you will have a different K. But then you will have the same new value of A. Do you follow? If you choose a different B, the K will be different. But later when you sub back the B, the final answer A will still be the same.
Why?
Because it's direct proportional. It's direct proportional. I don't care what the value is. It will always be the same. But the K will be different.
So EK difference.
Yeah. Okay. Now,